my god.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god, it stinks. Oh my god. It stinks. It stinks. It stinks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I know more people in this store too. Yeah, I know half the workers here.
That's terrible. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
What did you eat? Oh my god, it stinks. Oh my god. Reduce them. That's what we do looking for? Yes, reduce them.
Okay, we're going separate, so you guys gotta kind of sit up. Yeah, me too. It's on Nissan and the Infiniti 35.
Couldn't do it. By all the heck of little kids and stuff. Almost destiny.
Usually like young. Yeah, like teenagers, like 20, like they're young. Like they're not like, yeah. Nobody did anything. Really?
No one did nothing.
It's a lot over here. Yeah. Hey, you want to go somewhere else? Yeah, we can go to Michael's. Hi. We're about to get kicked out. I know. We're gonna do like at least one good one with Angela.
Well, I did. Oh, I got a good one with you.
Oh, we can only do this for a little longer and then get out. Oh, so do it over here. Do it over here. Over there. Hello. Well, I'm gonna talk about science book.
Okay, 10? Or do you want 12?
What should I get her? Like,
Okay. 10s or 12s? There's 12s.
Well, all my other ones are
Sure.
dude,
Oh my god, that stinks.
so bad, dude.
Oh,
Do not walk into that.
Don't.
Don't walk into
Don't.
I'm gonna stop recording. Yeah, he just farted. That's disgusting. He had the looks too, but you guys didn't have the looks. We're not getting no reactions. We don't know how to get a reaction. You gotta do that, but get that reaction. Yeah. You in it, and we'll don't worry about me anymore. I want the reaction. Just try to get the fart sound. Yeah, it's close enough for me to get the fart sound. It's weird because we all point out the certain person we want, but we don't do it. Yeah. They don't want. They're not the one who makes the reaction. The other person. Oh, and then we can go to that store down there. The 99.
You guys ready?
Nobody's ever in there though. But the workers in there. They're like, I'm looking for. Right when you walk in. Okay. No, not wherever I'm walking. You going under long. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you ladies doing?
Good.
I'm good.
Great.
This is so cool. Can you look at this?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I gotta start working on this 3 days, guys.
This is really spooky, you guys. Oh my god, look. What if I try to like...
You can get those at the dollar store.
I mean, look at... Oh my god, I'm gonna try to like...
I can't. No.
Oh, would you like to do that?
Sure.
Do you come often, you know?
No.
No, you don't? Great.
Yeah, we should though.
What you do is we sign you up for your email, and then when it comes into your computer, then you download it to your phone, and you have your coupons with you all the time.
Should probably tell my mom that. Yeah, use that history day. I have my exhibit. I don't live down here, so.
And then I can give you a coupon for the day.
Well, maybe when I
40% off regular price item.
okay. Maybe when I get home.
Would you like to do? I mean, do you know what your email is? Yeah.
Videotapers, you like looked up on my shoulder. They're moving along.
I used to be a dental hygienist, so good for you. You'll be glad.
Should I get this?
I know. It's gonna cost a lot more money. Is that
Oh my god.
and other stuff?
It's worth it.
Yes, it is.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Thank you.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Did you record that?
She didn't have a reaction. Huh? She didn't have any reaction.
Did you record it?
You know, I think you guys want to go to Korean college.
I have it ready.
You can see yourself. Did you see yourself? Look.
Oh my god, guys. That just came out.
Dude, if you're stinking right now, stay away from me.
That stinks so bad. Oh yeah. That was so bad.
Oh, it's cold.
I got broccoli.
Oh my god, you guys know what you should do? Just be like, my nipples are hard. It's so cold in here.
Tell my sisters. You want to talk to her? Oh, sorry. It's not that big. You found some lumpia?
What's that?
Lumpia is so bomb.
Ugh, oh god, oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm hanging out with you people. I don't know if I got it, but I was videotaping the whole time.
Yeah. Because that's the one we're going to do the reaction for it. Like this one right here.
Put it under.
This
Under.
one's like right here.
Excuse me. Ma'am, do you know where the bathroom is?
Bathroom?
Oh my god, yes.
Has to go.
I'm so sorry. Thank you.
She's right there.
Oh no, we're actually doing a school project for sociology. It's called
For that allergy?
sociology.
We have to break cultural norms.
So
So
like,
things people don't normally do, or people don't normally fart in public.
so what do you think of?
Would it be okay if we interviewed you?
Come on.
Yes.
So Jose.
Oh.